this is Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you a new Ninja Speedi recipe as part of our series, and that is for asparagus wrapped in bacon using the grill setting. So if you want to do asparagus wrapped in bacon, then it's so easy using the grill setting. You can wrap them together in little bundles, or you can do individual ones, and it's a perfect way to use up your leftover asparagus and bacon. If you have a closer look there, you can see I've just got one packet left, and it's just some spare bacon that I had in the fridge that's just perfect for wrapping up and then cooking using the grill setting. And if you want to avoid washing up, you can also do this on a foil layer or without a foil layer, depending on how you like it done. So let's talk about this crisp plate, shall we? So how it works is it has these little clips, and if you're doing a recipe using the crisp plate on the grill, then generally you'll want it in top position. So you want these out so that it creates then a top position. So then once you've pulled them out, put them in there, give it a press down, make sure it's in top position, and then the Speedi's ready for whatever food you want to grill. And this of course is using our time and temp guide. We have a new multi-cooker one out, and you can pre-order it. If you've watched this video and it was recorded a while ago, it'll be on sale now. So if you head over to Kitchen Gadgets Club, you can find more information about that. And then I've just got one small pack of asparagus that I've got left over. So it's just a good way to get rid of some of your leftovers. So this is the asparagus I've got. And then you can get rid of the woody ends. And then last but not least, so there's the asparagus ready. So now let's take a closer look at this bacon, shall we? So I've just got back bacon, as they call it in the UK, so it's much leaner bacon. So it kind of looks a bit like pork. So if you think ours looks a bit undercooked, it's just the style of the bacon because it's so much more leaner and a lot less fat compared to streaky or American bacon. So let's get started wrapping it up, shall we? So it's up to you how many you do together. You can do a few, or you can just do individual ones. I'm going to go with three. Three sounds like a good amount. So just wrap it up so it's like that, and then that's ready to be cooked. And then same again, grabbing another three, and then you can wrap it up like that. And then we've got a 3 and a 4 left. These are quite small, so I'm going to put 4 on this batch here. There's another one. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look brilliant? And then last but not least, we have the last one. Oh, and you know what this means? It means that I'm going to have to do another video of just cooking the bacon, because I've still got some bacon left. Oh, bacon butties, is that what you're all thinking? So now we've wrapped the asparagus up in the bacon, I'm going to give my hands a quick wipe, and then we can get it cooking. So I'm going to use the foil trick just to save myself on some washing up, especially considering I've got other recipes I want to cook for you today. So, a layer of foil, and if you accidentally do the foil too big, then just fold it over and it'll work like magic. So let's add your asparagus and bacon. Spread them out a bit there so I can fit them better for you. And there you go. 4 little bundles of asparagus wrapped in bacon ready to be cooked. So shall we get them on? When you're ready to start cooking, a lid down. Right, let's cook our asparagus wrapped in bacon. So turn on your Ninja Speedi, and then you want to flick it over so that it goes into grill position, and then you want in 240 Celsius, that's 465 Fahrenheit, and then we're looking for a cook time of 8 minutes, and then press start. If you're serious about learning how to use the Ninja Speedi, then can I recommend our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. It's brand new, it's on pre-order now, and it's under a fiver, and it has lots and lots of different cooking times based on the different settings. From steam air fry to when to air fry, grill, steam, and so many others. It will really get you started with using your Speedi and understanding how long to cook your food for. And now, back to the video. And we've beeped. Shall we check on what our asparagus and bacon is like when it's done on the grill setting using the Ninja Speedi? Are you ready for this? Oh wow, look at those beauties. They look absolutely fantastic. And as you can see, all the mess has stayed on the foil liner, so we don't have to worry about the cleanup, and it's just brilliant in this top position. If you want your bacon less crispy, what you can actually do is you can actually still use the grill in the lower setting, but it won't make the food as crispy because you're further away from where the grill actually is located. So you can do either or. So I'm just going to wait a minute or two for that to cool down, and then I can grab the foil out of the Ninja. So let me show you just how easy it is to get these foil packets of food. You can do them fully wrapped up, you can do them as a layer. They're just brilliant for quickly getting the food out of the air fryers. And I also use it in my Ninja Speedi, in my multi-cookers, and so many others. And it's easier than actually getting a spatula underneath and getting each one out individually. So if you just grab it by the side of the foil, like this, then it's so easy to grab out and put to one side, and then you've got your asparagus and your bacon. Oh, so they're cool enough. Shall we try these beauties then? Oh, they look so good, don't they? Asparagus and bacon. I love asparagus. Asparagus and bacon, yummy. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.